Well, good evening. It's 8 p.m. on a Friday, and I have yet to edit a video. I had planned to do a bathroom update video for redecorating, but life happens and it's summer break, and the baby's been feeling under the weather a little bit. Okay, a lot fussier than normal, and my husband's been out of town. So he just got back, so I have a minute to step out of the house, and I just wanted to show you a few updates of things that I'm excited about. But this is going to be a no edit video, so if I make a mistake, I make a mistake. We live by a loud road. Alright, well, I want to show you what I'm excited about. It's going to be a continuation of a yard update video, and I hope that you'll like what's been going on around here too. And let me show you. Cody's here with me. Where are ya? Here you are, buddy bud. I forgot about watering this, and it was 90 something degrees a couple days this week, so unfortunately I killed that. I think it was a dianthus. Yes, so, but I'm really excited that the echinacea, or purple coneflower, has bloomed, and I've put it into some bouquets. This is my very first, oh no, now I can't remember it. Well, got these guys. What are they? Not tiger lilies, but something lilies. Okay, guys, help me out. What is this called? It's not a chrysanthemum. It'll come to me. Oh my goodness. I was so excited to show it to you too, and I just totally forgot what it's called. But you can see I've got several more coming. So I just got done watering. Normally you should water in the morning because you don't want it to be wet and soggy at night, because that can increase I don't know, like slugs and different stuff. It'll come to me. I don't want to forget about it. But so this, we had a bunch of trees taken down and they had holes in them, and then my parents took them to the dump for me, thank you very much, and they burned them there. And when my mom took another load with my dad, she saw that this had burned a heart into it, so she brought it back as yard art for me. So I love it that my mom is a creative soul as well. Oh my goodness, it's gonna bother me until I can think of what that is. It's beautiful though. Hey Cody, you coming? Okay, and I didn't thoroughly water, and I killed some of my plants, but these are doing okay. I've just seen a lot of pill bugs and slugs eating my strawberries, so that's unfortunate. But things are definitely growing, and I've gotten a few darker blueberries, so hooray for that. And I see that my husband has texted me, so I better hurry up. I guess a kid needs me. But this is a new development here, some old vintage or antique brick. I don't know, maybe it's even from the family who owned the brick, whatever, here. And I've moved my plants pots here. That is an elderberry bush I need to put in. Okay, there's been some updates in the yard, and then I gotta go because my daughter really, I told her I'd do something, and here I am. And it's past her bedtime, so I need to hurry on up. Okay, over here, my parents helped me create this path and widen it, and isn't it amazing? And this is all free mulch from taking down the trees. These two piles, a neighbor friend is going to take, and let's see, I'm going to make that into a planter, and this is what my baby girl loves hopping on. And we've got a lot cleared out since the last time I showed you, I believe. So there's my dogwood. That thing kind of got a little fried. Hopefully it's going to come back. But my very first gardenia. And I used to live on Gardenia Lane when I lived in Maryland. So if you want to go back and see those videos, I'll link them at the end of staging and my yard work there. I've got a few things to go in here, including creeping time, but I like to put cardboard and mulch to keep the grass from choking them out. But this guy, he's still hanging on there. Squirrels have been horrible, so I've tried to put some powder stuff on them, and then I've got a bunch of half off plants here. This is going to be my orchard. I've got some raspberries, and here is my mini peach tree, and those are plums. And we've already gotten a few of these hibiscus, and they are just gorgeous. Let me show you. Look at the braiding on them. Oh, those squirrels have gotten to them too. But here it is. I cannot believe that. I'm so frustrated. What do you do? Can you please write in the comments below what you do about... These are not rabbits because it's halfway up on those. They might be rabbits, but over there it's definitely a squirrel. Cody, come. Come. All right, well, I gotta wrangle my dog and go keep my word to my daughter. So thanks for joining me on this whirlwind update to my update yard tour. So I hope you're having a great day. If you enjoy this kind of video, seeing what's going on around here, would you please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you won't miss a thing. And there's a lot going on. This is just the beginning. Oh, one more thing before I go. My dad helped me put in a new slide I got off Marketplace. So have a lovely evening, morning, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.